Howdy. So, I don't know if you heard in that last video, there's a bearing here squeaking up a storm, and I was videotaping and I hit the wrong button and stopped the damn video and missed out all the good part. Basically what I did, and this works if you got a squeaky bearing, and it works on pulleys, bearings, even like fan belts. You can hear something really bad squeaking, you think it's a bearing, and you've got, you know, 1,000 bearings, you don't know which one it is. Take a little of this, a tiny little blast, and you'll know when you hit the right bearing because the noise will instantly go away. And that's exactly what happened. When I sprayed this one here, all that racket you heard in the last video stopped immediately. I'm so pissed I didn't get to record it. I hit the wrong button, stopped the recording process. Super good trick though. If it starts making noise again, and it will, it might be in half an hour, it might be in a week, I'll do it again. Anyway.